What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Barnbridge, which has pumped up over 45% in the last 24 hours and currently trading at $3.93. So it did pump a couple of days earlier and then drop back down in value, and right now pumping back up. But it's not just Barnbridge that's pumping. The crypto market is on the positive side today. The market is up nearly 5%, with of course Bitcoin hitting $30,000, guys. Yes, I know it's not there, but it was there earlier on today. It's dropped a little bit, but yeah, the whole point is that it has officially passed $30,000 finally. And in my previous videos I did expect Bitcoin to be hitting over $30,000 towards the end of October, and pretty much we are there. We are on target, which should have a positive impact on the whole crypto market in general as well. So today's focus is on Barnbridge. So again, before I go any further guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and on the screen we do have the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Barnbridge, which is here in purple at $2.77. However, we can see it trading at a much higher value here in green at $4, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's get straight into it. We do have the Fibonacci scale on the screen right now, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis, but for now I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for, wondering, is it time to buy it or is it time to sell it and take out your profits? So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected from Barnbridge over the next 12 to 14 hours. So essentially towards the end of the day today, Barnbridge should be trading at at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment, potentially dropping down to $3.80, $3.90 is where I'm expecting Barnbridge to be trading at towards the end of the day today. However, that does not mean that it's going to start dropping right now. It is likely to pump up higher at the moment, potentially heading towards the $5 mark over the next couple of hours. Again, I'm not saying it's going to hit $5, but heading upwards to hit that target is what I'm expecting Barnbridge to be heading at. And then after that, it should slowly start to drop back down in value to around $3.80, $3.90 is where I'm expecting it to be trading at towards the end of the day today. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we are looking quite bullish, going in a positive direction, meaning gains in value are expected from Barnbridge over the next 7 to 8 days. So let's say towards the end of next week, Barnbridge should essentially be heading upwards to around the $7 to $8 mark. Again, it may seem like a crazy increase from where it is at the moment. However, I am expecting the crypto market in general, including mainly Bitcoin, to be pumping in value as well over the next couple of weeks. So that means the whole crypto market is likely to stay on the green side as well, which also includes Barnbridge traveling to around the $7 to $8 mark over the next couple of weeks. But towards the end of next week, it should be essentially trading around the $7 mark. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks we are still looking bullish, still looking positive guys. Overall increases in value are expected from Barnbridge over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so mid to late December 2023. I'm expecting Barnbridge to be more or less near about hitting the $10 mark. Yes, I know it may sound crazy right now, but guys, approximately 2 months it should be able to do over 100% increase. But again guys, it also depends on how the crypto market performs. For example, crashes and pumps and just things that happen out of the ordinary are not expected, so make sure you guys are aware of these things as well. But if I'm able to predict such thing, I will of course keep you guys updated as soon as I can and as much as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far so good for Barnbridge. So those of you asking, is it time to buy it or is it time to sell it? So let's do some technical analysis and see where it can potentially head up to over the short term and over the long term as well. So right now, if you're on a profit, personally I would sell it. However, that is only if I would buy it back when it drops back down in value over the next couple of days. That is what my expectations and my predictions are at the moment. So I would only buy this cryptocurrency if it does drop, sell it if it does drop in value. But again, to be on the safe side, if you're on a profit, just hold on to it. And also those of you guys who are looking to buy it, I would wait for it to drop down a little bit more before I get into it, especially that I'm expecting it to drop down further over the next couple of hours and days as well. I would personally wait for it. But to be completely honest with you guys, I do not own any Barnbridge, and I'm not expecting to buy it, or I'm not looking to buy this crypto at the moment, only because I do have other cryptocurrencies which I hold as well. But yeah, what I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below what your expectations and your predictions are on Barnbridge. Are you guys expecting it to pump up in value, keep pumping in value? Are you guys expecting it to drop? Let me know what is the highest or lowest figure this crypto can hit in 2023, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up once again 76% in the last 24 hours, making it $121 million in trading, which is again a huge increase. Again, the trading volume has been increasing quite consistently for Barnbridge over the last few days, as it has been pumping quite a bit. If I zoom out a little bit over the 7 days chart, we can see it did head up to about $6 earlier last week, dropped back down, and then right now pumping again. So it has been quite volatile, but there's been a lot of traders buying the crypto and selling it, especially the short-term traders. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.